How to show charging time on iPhone? As you can see, when we charge phone, charging time show automatically. Let's start how to do this. Open Safari browser, then add charging time shortcut from here. Get shortcut, add shortcut, automation, new automation. Scroll down. Here you can see charger. Select this, then run immediately. Turn on run immediately. Next, as you can see charge time, open this. So finally, when we charge our phone, as you can see, charging time will show automatically. Thanks for watching.